Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how swap function going to work. Okay. Swap function generally changes the cases of a particular cases of a string. Okay. So what cases? If the string present in uppercase, it going to be converted to the lowercase. If the strings are in lowercase, it is going to be converted to the uppercase. Means uppercase converted to the lowercase, lowercase is converted to the uppercase. That is a vice versa. Okay, the given string or given text generally converted in the form of upper to lower, lower to upper. So let's see how the code is going to be work. So there is a text equal to swap case, fine. So before swapcase function, we have to declare the text welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub. Okay. Then x equal to text dot swapcase. Fine. Then print x. Okay. Then run it. Fine. Here you see how the entire statement, when I am using capital letters inside this text, that is going to be small letter. That is, see here, there is a small letter. And when the text are small letters, that is converted to the capital letters. So this is the interesting thing which here you have to see that how swap case is going to be work. Okay, let's see another example. I will taken as a all the text as a small letter. Welcome to Lingaraj Techhub. Okay. Then x equal to text dot swap case. Then print x. Fine. Now run it and see. Here all the characters belonging to that particular text is converted to the uppercase, because here we written in the lower case and that is going to be converted to the uppercase. Fine. Okay. Then I will now type the text as a uppercase. Okay. Welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub. Fine. So where it is going to be x equal to text, x equal to text dot swap case print x. Fine. So here you see the entire string is converted to the lower case. Fine. The entire string is converted to the lower case because I have declared here uppercase and that is going to here converted to the lower case. That's it. This is the swap string function which will be generally used for convert the bigger uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Fine. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please like this video and share with your friends. Click on the subscribe button and click also bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.